In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome 400. That's an error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This error usually appears when there's a problem with the request your browser is sending to a website. In simple terms, something in Chrome's stored data, like cookies or cached files, is confusing the site. So it responds with a 400 error instead of loading properly. The good news is, this is usually easy to fix with a few quick steps. Let's start with the simplest method, which often solves the problem right away. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu. Then choose Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now look for the option called Clear Browsing Data and click on it. A small window will pop up. Make sure you're on the Basic tab. Set the time range to all time so you're clearing everything related to old requests that might be causing issues. Then, check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can also include browsing history if you like, but the key ones for this specific error are the cookies and the cache. When you're ready, click Clear Data and wait a few moments for Chrome to finish. Once that's done, close Chrome completely. To be safe, make sure no Chrome windows are running in the background. Then reopen Chrome and try visiting the website that was giving you the 400 error. In many cases, the page will now load normally because those broken or outdated cookies and cached files have been removed. If you're still seeing the error, you can try an extra step. Go back to the same website, but this time open it in an incognito window. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. Then type in the website address. Incognito mode doesn't use your existing cookies in the same way, so if it works there, you know the problem is almost certainly related to your normal browsing data. At this point, you've done the main fixes needed for a 400 error in Chrome on Windows 11 or 10. Clearing cookies and cache resolves the issue for most people, especially when it's limited to one or two specific sites. After this, you should be able to browse without seeing that 400, that's an error message again.